Hello, solution of question number 91 customs. BSA and Company Limited has imported a machine from UK from the following particulars furnished by it arrive at accessible value for the purpose of customs duty payable. That is the question. The price of the machine is 10,000 UK pounds. Freight actual given, we need to compare this one at 20% of the FOB, least amount is taken, and engineering charges that is to be added to the cost price of the machine, and license fee, this one also added to the cost price of the machine. Then material and components supplied in UK by the buyer free of cost valid at rupees 20,000. Remember, it was in Indian rupees, Indian currency. Insurance paid actual given Indian currency. Buying commission paid by the importer to his agent, that is 100 UK pounds buying commission. That is importer the commission. Importer commission is buyer means importer. Importer commission is not taken. Other the particulars, it is like this. Interbank exchange rate not considered. Interbank exchange rate. So we need to consider CBEC. CBIC had notified for the purpose of section 14 of the Custom Act 1962, the exchange rate is 100 rupee. So this rate is taken. Then importer paid rupees 5,000 towards demurrage charges for delay in clearing the machine from the airport. That is demurrage charges. So make the suitable assumptions as it is. See the answers now. So cost of the machine in pound 10,000, as I said that here. So you have to add this one and 20% of the machine cost as a license. So it was there 500 pound and 20% of this is 2000. It was totally is 12,500. Now you convert into Indian currency, that is the exchange rate is 100 rupee given. See 100 rupees there here, 100 rupees there. So convert it into 12,500 into 100 is 12,50,000. To this material supplied, how much cost is there? So 20,000 cost is the Indian rupees. So add the Indian rupees. Both are Indian rupees now. These two are the Indian rupees. So 12,70,000. Now it is called FOB. This was our FOB. On the FOB, actually is 3,000 into this 100. So how much you will get? Pound into Indian rupees 3 lakh. But 20% of the FOB, this note it is clear. Note number 3 is I think I given that. So 20% of this is 2,54,000 or 3,000 into 100, that is 3 lakh. Least is 2,54,000 and actual insurance is given in Indian rupees. This one insurance paid actual given Indian rupees. Add that one. So FOB plus F plus I equal to what? CIF. So CIF value is 15 lakh 30. 15 lakh 30 comes. Then that is a CIF as well as a assessable value. I think it is tax rate is not given and they are not asking to tax also. So these are the notes that it is used in the note number 1, 2, 3, like that. It was there here in the solution. That is all the fine notes, right? So if you have any queries, just ask me about the question number 11, right? So this was the solution for this question. There is no tax rates here, right? So move to the question number 92 straight away. Clear? So this question is very simple, basic. Jagat Corporation Limited imported some goods from US. The data, the transactions are as follows. CBIC rate is given 70 rupees. This one is considered. RBI rate is not considered. CIF value directly given $1,50,000. Basic BCD is there, and this surcharge is there. Integrated tax is there, right? So all these are the rates. With these information, you need to solve the custom duty payable, right? So what are the custom duty payable? You see here now. So CIF value given in the problem itself. So 1,50,000 into 170 rupees is there exchange rate. This amount comes. Then basic duty on this amount, how much? 10% is there. This was the value. Then if you find the social welfare charges is how much? Social welfare charges is 10% of this tax on this amount. 10%, 1,05,000 is there. Sub total of all add these items, you will get this one. On this amount, 18% is integrated tax given. So add this one into this one. So by adding all these, what you will get? This total. This was the question for you, total custom duty and integrated tax payable. So I think the two notes are there for this one and this one. What I explained actually it was there. Just you read the notes. In exam also wherever it is notes are there. So just you write the notes for that, right? So this is all about your question number, which one? 92. Next. Question number 93. What this question number 93 says that, if I read that one, ABC Limited, which one? ABC Industries Limited imports an equipment by air, that is 20% freight is there. CIF of the equipment is, it is given $6,000 US, right? $6,000 US. Freight is given actual, insurance cost is given, and bankers payment from the importer at the exchange rate is 61, banker rate is not taken. Central Board of Indirect Tax CBIC rate is how much? Customs notified exchange rate is 70. This rate is considered for exchange, and notified by the RBI, this rate also not considered. Clear? ABC Limited Industries expense 56,000 in India for development and activities. We will see this one, and BCD is 10%. Then integrated tax is 12%, surcharge is 10%. We will see the solution now. As CIF is how much given? 6,000. If you see here, CIF value is $6,000 US, $6,000 US less that your CIF is given, and as well as freight is given. So you subtract now reverse. Freight actually less, insurance actually you have to subtract. For that you will get the FOB. On the FOB, 20% means 20%, that is FOB is 3,000, 20% means 1,200. How much actual is given? 20% of 3,000 is 600 actually, not 1,200. 3,000 20% means 600. But actually is how much given? 1,200. Whichever least out of these two, 600. Clear? 600 is the least. Then you take the least amount. Actual insurance is taken here, insurance. So you will get a CIF how much? 5,400. Then exchange rate 70 rupees is there as it is. 70 into this one, you will get this figure. Then the solution continue. Assessable value is 3,78,000. Remaining is same. Add 10% BCD on this rate, it comes with this one, and 10% surcharge on this amount, 3780 comes. Then add these all these amounts, we get 4,19,580. On this 4,19,580, see here 12% is the rate, so we will get this amount. Then how to find the all taxes one side? I think all you know that you should add all the taxes one side. Should show that in different way. I think all you know that 1, 2 plus 3. You add all these things, you will get this total, right? So that was the rounded figure is this one. Wherever the explanation that I given now, all are in the note number 1, 2, 3, 4. Just you read it yourself. Clear? This is all about your question number 93, right? So move to the question number 94 now. Question number 94 now. Compute the total customs duty and integrated tax payable under the customs law on an imported machine based on the following, right? So cost of the machine is 20,000. See, cost of the machine is solution 20,000 US dollar, and transportation charges and handling charges you have to add to get the FOB. So these two are added. FOB comes now. FOB into rate is how much here? See the rates as per the CB, that is the date of entry, bill entry. Rate is how much here? 70 is there. So you should take the 70 rupee per dollar. So it was this one. And next one is after that you have to count the freight now. Freight into, that is freight is given. Freight charges is given 5,000 into 70. See here the actual is how much? Freight $5,000 into 70. It was 3,50,000. Or if you find the 20% of this, so 70% of 20% of this FOB, or the actual given is 3,50,000, least that you have to take. So this one 20% of this means it comes almost more than that. You check it. Then later rate charges that is given in the problem 12,000. Then a ship demurrage charges is given 24,000, and insurance is not given in the problem. then you should take the insurance 1.125% of FOB. FOB here, this one, it's 1.125% means this one. So your CIF is this amount. On the CIF 10% BCD, on the this BCD 10% is surcharge. On the total this you will get 12% the integrated tax, then you find the tax amount. So this was the answer, right? So one freight is not taken here. See, freight incurred from the port entry to inland container, that is that this freight is not taken. I think I given in the previous problem also. Just you are having some notes here. Just you read the notes, then it is clear to each one of you, right? So this is all about your solution of question number 94. If you still not getting the solution explanation not clear to each one or any one of you, just you feel free to ask me, right? Thank you.